Hey guys, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Tonkeeper wallet account. Tonkeeper is the easiest self-custody wallet to pay Ton coins and other tokens. To create a Tonkeeper wallet account, first of all, you need to open the Tonkeeper application on your phone. Once you open it, this will be the interface. Now you can see two options here, create new wallet and import existing wallet. Since we need to create a new account, you need to tap on create new wallet option here. Now you will be asked to create a passcode. So create a passcode that you can remember. Now you need to re-enter the passcode. And here if you want to get instant notifications, you can tap on enable notification option on the downside, or if you want to skip it, you can tap on the later option right over here. After this, you have an option to customize your wallet. For example, you can customize the wallet's name, you can change the color of your wallet or use any symbol to represent your wallet from here. Once you have customized your wallet, you can tap on continue, and that's it, you have created your Tonkeeper wallet account. So this is how you can create a Tonkeeper wallet account. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and thank you for watching.